Welcome back to the DTC Concepts YouTube channel. I am here today to talk a little bit about Apple's Notes and Reminders apps and how I use them to help manage my personal life as well as projects. So if you followed me at all, you know that I love a checklist, and so when I'm in my Reminders app, I actually have a section that anything under Home I can scroll through and see what I've got scheduled. Oh yeah, that's a lot of good stuff. Love that. But it keeps me organized and keeps me making sure my house is staying clean and all of the gross things that need to be done are getting done. Next, in my Notes app, this is really something that I use a ton for work. I know there's a bunch of different software out there. I just really like the Notes app. It's simple. I can share it with clients. I can share it with my business partners. Everything's listed right there. So when I'm inside my Notes app, I'm generally organizing each folder by projects, and then I'll have selections. I will have kitchen renderings, so I have them fast on hand if I need them when I'm on a job site. But everything is here. I title it all, and then I link it, and then I check mark it if it's something that I have ordered, and it just helps me keep everything super neat and organized. I can look back at it. If somebody's like, oh, where did you get, I love that thing. Boom, I go to the project, I click on it, and then I know that's where I got that product. So Reminders and Notes, fantastic tools to use, especially if you are in this industry. It can make life so much easier because it is always better when you organize. A few of my favorites in my Reminders home maintenance section would be cleaning out the dishwasher filters. Anything with water and moisture, you want to make sure to be taking proper care of it. So I clean those filters once a month. I run in a fresh cleaner in there. It keeps it nice and fresh smelling. Another one is I like to schedule HVAC maintenance. Not a lot of people do this. It's recommended you do it once or twice a year. I do it. It helps make sure everything's running smoothly. I personally change my HVAC air vent filter regularly. However, there's another one up in the system, and I don't know. They got to look at other stuff. They get it done. I do it once a year, and I love it. Another one that is really good is actually doing a deep dryer vent cleaning. I get the little tool you can order online if you got a Dyson, dig way down there, get all the lint. I clean the lint trap with water once a month. That's another one of my favorites. And then lastly, this is something if you've got dogs or kids, you're going to appreciate. Every 6 months I have a reminder. I change my smoke detector batteries. I know I probably don't need to do it that often, but I can tell you what, never is anything beeping because I forgot to change a battery. With these reminders, I never forget all these key things I like to do in my home. It gets it out of my brain into an app, and then it just reminds me. I don't have to worry about it. I just check it off when it's done, and it kicks back around when I need to do it again. One of my favorite things about using Notes to stay organized is not only do I put all of the selections, but when you're doing a project, your electrician generally will not have light bulbs. So if you're putting in all new lighting, you gotta get those light bulbs. And so having everything organized here, knowing exactly what's needed for each one, you can go into a local lighting store and be like, hey, I got it all laid out for you. I need them all in 2700K. And then it's nice and simple. If you found that helpful, give us a like, a subscribe. Any questions, comment below. Come back for some more tips and tricks.